大家好，欢迎来到苏敏中文。Hi guys, welcome to Sumin Chinese. When you want to say hello to Chinese friends,
Hi, 你好吗 Hi. 你好 so great.
when you realize that 你好吗 is not how Chinese people say hello. So how to greet in Chinese? Today we will introduce how to greet informal and informal Chinese. Let's get started. Before we jump in, please make sure to subscribe, hit like button, and turn the notification in so you don't miss out on learning tips. How to say hi in Chinese? 你好 means hello. 你好 is basically the first phrase that you're learning in Chinese class. People tend not to using it so much with people who they are at all familiar with. 您好 means hello. 您好 is the respect form of 你好. It's using with people who you want to express respect toward, elder or teacher. 早 means good morning, or you can say 早上好. It's pretty much used the exact same way as is in English, unless if it's the evening. 大家好 means hello everyone. If you need to address a group of colleagues or friends using 大家好 to welcome everyone. How do you greet and respond in Chinese? For example, when you meet a new friend, 你好，很高兴认识你。你好，很高兴认识你。你好，我是苏敏，很高兴认识你。When you meet elders or teachers, 您好，叔叔阿姨，很高兴见到你们。您好，叔叔阿姨，很高兴见到你们。您好，老师。您好，老师。When you meet friends or your leaders and colleagues in the morning, you can say 早 Wendy or 早上好 Wendy. When you second time meet a friend, you can say 好久不见，最近怎么样？好久不见，最近怎么样？非常好，你呢？非常好，你呢？When you meet colleagues or friends, you can say 大家好，我叫苏敏，很高兴认识大家。大家好，我叫苏敏，很高兴认识大家。If you find our video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss out on learning tips.